My name is Mari from Japan. I took a 200 teaching course in Akshi. It was really great. I learned a lot. All the teachers here and all the people who I took the course with was all really nice. It wasn't not only yoga like poses, but I learned more spiritual, like mind. So it's been really a great experience. I think the favorite part, everything is my favorite. Everything was so new to me. Like even like coming to India was my first time. So the whole this experience was my favorite part. Self growth, and that's the reason why I took this course. And yeah, I think that's the word. I learn a lot, and I start seeing many things in a different way, in a good way. I feel more calm, and I feel like I learn a lot about myself. So it was good.